Hi, this is Keith Bryant, Global SMT and Packaging Magazine, on the NM Tronics booth at Productronica India 2025. And I'm here with my great friend, Mr. Soni, and we're going to talk all things about the growth of NM Tronics. Okay, so sir, I guess the first easy question is, tell me what's happening.
Thanks, Keith, for coming to this Productronica show. And I'm seeing the show is increasing year by year. So that's definitely a level of excitement for all the participants, exhibitors, visitors, customers, suppliers, everyone. Like an industry, Indian market is really taking a very top slot for all the equipment suppliers, and so is NM Tronics. If you remember, in the last 1 or 2 years to now, and what I can see in the next 2 years, our company NM Tronics and all the associated companies have really expanded a lot. So we have added more than 100 engineers in the last 1 year, and over the application of, I think so, more than 10,000 database of applicants. So in 10,000 applicants, we have selected only, I would say, 100 engineers. And we have trained them rigorously for 4 to 6 months on the job, classroom training with a different mentorship, and we have deployed them in the different roles. And we have taken engineers right from the top IIT Delhi's and IIT Kanpur's, which is the top-notch engineering schools in India, to a very regional colleges for the service support engineers. So the level of knowledge base in our company is horizontally and vertically has really gone very big. On the business side, I can say that our company has also expanded beyond India. So in Middle East region, our company has already opened a separate entity because very recently we have engaged Middle East-based company which is backed by the venture capital companies out of Europe for producing the very high-end computer servers. It's a BOT concept, which is a build, operate and transfer concept. Means I've taken a responsibility for setting up the factory and helping them to run it for 3 years. This means a lot of responsibility and taking a talent out of India, training them and deploy them in Middle East. So that is going to be in Dubai Silicon Oasis. So it has opened a new frontier for us. And this, I have never seen such a high-end investment for the surface mount business in the Middle East region. And having said so, the Middle East region is also very, very competitive, whether we talk about Dubai or United Arab Emirates, we talk about Qatar, we talk about Kuwait or even Saudi Arabia. So they all watch each other, they try to be the best among the world, and that's a new frontier I've seen. Even in India, I can say that our company is expanding a lot in Bangalore. And in another 2 months' time, our company is setting up the state-of-the-art demo room, training facility, and the manufacturing site to build automation tools in Devanahalli in Bangalore. And I can assure you, the Bangalore facility is going to be the best ever in our group companies, which our industry means our customers and competitor will really benchmark us to be there. So that's a very brief in terms of people, in terms of territory, and also in terms of expanding within India. And thanks to our the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister for Make in India is changing, making a very, very positive change.
Yes, and you're also making your own equipment here as well now, yeah?
Yes, that's right, Keith. If you look at traditionally NM Tronics and all the associated companies, we have been a very premium sales, service and distribution company for high-tech capital equipments. These companies are located in Japan, Korea, China, Taiwan, Italy, Germany and United States. And we have been very successful in establishing the base in India. Very classic case, last time you heard that you interviewed Dave Heller, and we made a joint venture and we started making a Heller Thermal Systems, which is producing the reflows out of Ahmedabad. Things are moving in a very right direction. At the same time, our own engineers, we wanted to build some IP now. So that is the reason you have seen the board handling systems. We started making a smart conveyors. And everybody is seeing here, they can see how a single software is managing the entire board handling system. So we are going to be part of the FSF, which is Fuji Smart Factory. Not only this, we have established a new division in the company, which is like a startup incubator, which we call as a NEST, New Emerging and Strategic Technology, which is working on anything and everything which is very innovative in our surface mount business. And for example, you have seen how our engineers build the software for building a prototype AMRs, autonomous mobile robots. We have started building our own MES, which is going to be rolled out in next few months. Probably you can see us in Productronica Munich, and also our own board handling equipment, which is a C certified. So a lot of things we are doing it which can complement our existing business, our existing partners, and we grow together in this industry.
Yep, and you've been doing it very successfully for very many years, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope it continues for many years, but I can't see anything changing apart from you just running out of energy, but it doesn't seem like you're there yet.
I think so. It will take some more time. Yes.
Okay, well, thank you very much for sharing with us, Mr. Soni, and wish you success for the rest of the show.
Thank you very much, Keith. Pleasure talking to you.
NM Tronics India is your partner in technology, providing high-tech capital equipment for PCB assembly and testing through world-class equipment manufacturing companies. MINT is our state-of-the-art experience center in Noida, showcasing live SMT line performance. We take single-window responsibility for chip-to-ship for your SMT shop floor with customized Make in India automation solution. We are a team of 350-plus highly qualified and trained engineers representing 40-plus principals and spread 9 cities all across India, promising best equipment performance, quality, and service support.